Here I have tested with the three inputs again. You already seen this one. Actually, there coming mild changes in the output, mild difference in the input and output image. If you see this, like very mild colors you can see. And this is the second set I executed. Here if you see, you can see a slight difference in the output also. This is input and this is output. See here. And third set I have given now. This one. You can see the flooring color changing. Very light. Here. Then see here in the grass area you can see the difference. Here you can see some difference. This is input, this is output.